Think your car is safe just because you locked it? Think again. Today, we're diving into the smartest, sharpest, and most feature-packed dash cams of 2025. From 4K HDR beasts to stealthy smart cams that do more than just record. Let's break down the real-world winners. No fluff, no spec sheet hype. The TORVO TD3 impressed us with its 4K front plus 1080p rear recording, 5G Wi-Fi, GPS, and a bright 3.2-inch IPS screen. It comes with a 64GB card pre-installed, and setup was plug and play. We tested its 24-hour parking mode, loop recording, and night vision, and it held up well in both urban and rural environments. The app control is intuitive, and the footage is sharp enough to read license plates even at night. Check the description for product links and best deals. This one's a no-brainer if you want 4K without breaking the bank. The Nextbase Piqo is all about smart features in a tiny package. It records 1080p at ultra-wide HD video, supports smart parking, emergency SOS, and voice control, and connects seamlessly to the Nextbase app. We loved how compact it is, no screen, no clutter, and the app interface is polished. It's perfect for minimalists, city drivers, and anyone who wants a discreet dash cam with smart safety features. Tap the description for product links. This is the dash cam for drivers who want smart features in a stealthy form. If you want the sharpest footage and most advanced sensor tech, the Viofo A229 series is the one to beat. With dual StarVS2 sensors, it captures 4K plus 2K HDR video with stunning clarity, even in low light. We tested it across city traffic, highway speeds, and dim parking lots, and the footage was consistently crisp. It also supports 5 GHz Wi-Fi, voice control, and SSD storage up to 4 TB, making it ideal for creators, rideshare drivers, and anyone who needs long-term recording. Tap the description for product links and best prices. This is the dash cam we'd trust to capture every detail. The Kingslim D4PRO offers 4K front plus 2K rear recording, Wi-Fi, GPS, and optional interior recording. We tested it on a 1,400-mile road trip, and it captured everything, from highway merges to tight city corners, with clarity. The voice control and Type-C connectivity make it easy to manage, and it supports up to 256 GB storage, which is great for long hauls. If you want full coverage and pro-level footage, this one delivers. Hit the description for product links. This is the dash cam for serious drivers who want full coverage and control. The AKEEYO NVX is a 12-inch smart mirror dash cam with f1.0 aperture lens, AI radar, BSD, HDR/WDR, and touchscreen controls. We tested its super night vision, and it's easily the clearest low-light footage we've seen. The mirror display is responsive, and the backup camera integration is seamless. It's ideal for night drivers, rideshare pros, and anyone who wants a futuristic mirror-based setup. Tap the description for product links. This is the dash cam for drivers who need crystal-clear night vision and smart mirror tech. So, which dash cam fits your drive? If you want cinematic clarity, go Viofo. For stealth and smarts, Nextbase Piqo's a sleeper hit. And if you're all about night vision or full cabin coverage, AKEEYO and Kingslim are hard to beat. Links to all cams are in the description, along with my full test footage and setup tips. Hit that like button if this saved you hours of research, and subscribe for more hands-on gear reviews that actually matter. Drive safe, record smarter, see you in the next one.